Hello, you're looking at a 1994 Chevy box truck. Yes, it has only 38,000 original miles. It is a one-owner vehicle. It was owned by a large technology company, and they really didn't use it that much. It's in great shape. It runs well. Always starts right up. I just had someone in my work borrow this truck to move out of their house, and they said it worked great. The lift works fine, and it's really ready to go. It's got a 5.7 engine, Chevy engine, which is not the biggest one, so it's not going to be too bad on gas. Nice and clean under the hood, not rusty. Brake lines look to be in good shape. All the things you look for in an older vehicle. The cab is nice and clean, and we like to see that. It usually means the vehicle was well maintained and not beat up. So this is not a beat up vehicle. It's clean, it's not torn up. You can tell that it really was hardly used. There are 3 marker lights that could go in the top, so they are not there. Need to be added. You can look under here at the frame, not rusty. 6 good tires on it. Has a Tommy lift on the back. And the lift works fine. Let's go up in the bed first. The floor is solid. Both of these front corners have a spot that could be sealed up. I would shoot some foam in there is what I would do, and it would be fine. It's solid though there. And right here are the 3 marker lights, and here's even the plug for them. Oh, the floor is nice and solid, has tie downs, even has a light inside here that works. Now the door is going to need a repair. It could be used just like it is. It's at least going to need a panel. Not that big a deal at all. Let me pull it down. It slides and operates fine, but you can see that needs a repair there. Of course, now I weigh 250 pounds, picks me up fine. I'm not sure what the weight limit is, but it is a Tommy lift, Tommy gate. Looks like a model number 991. Serial number M167404. So these are the controls. You push this button in, and it draws it up. And then you push this piece up. Let's see, I guess I gotta close this door first. It matches on either side, and you're ready to go. That's not smoke, it's a cold day here today. It's going to be summertime one of these days. The last thing is it's going to need a vent latch. All these are very minor things. The weight, the GVW gross vehicle weight is 11,000 pounds. So that's what it's rated to haul. I'm going to put on a little heat here even. So 38,000 miles is really nothing. So it was fleet maintained. It had a Virginia inspection every year. Also has an overdrive. This vehicle will drive you home wherever you need to drive. We're located in Bel Air, Maryland, which is about 20 miles north of Baltimore. We're right off of I-95. And easy access right off of I-95, about 20 miles north of Baltimore, like I said. If you're coming from a distance, we will pick you up at the airport, which is the BWI airport. Or there's a bus that runs up and down 95 called the Mega Bus. It'll pick you up there in White Marsh, or at the train or bus station in Aberdeen, Maryland. Or drive a rental car up one way, or come with a friend. Take 2 cars back. When the buyer comes to pick this up, they'll get a clear title, a bill of sale, and a 60-day temporary license tag to drive home on and drive around once you get home. There's 55. You can see it goes down the road fine. No check engine lights or anything like that. I'm going to swing over here. Whoop. Brakes do pull to the right just a little bit. Nothing more than an adjustment. This will make a nice box truck for somebody. It's got a lot of life left in it. 38,000 miles really is nothing. I've had them with 138 that last for many years after that. The 5.7 engine is a good engine. I wish they still made them like that as they did in the 90s. Just fine. Go straight down the road. So if you're looking for a reasonable box truck, low mileage, lots of life left in it, with a gate that works, buy this one. It'll be a great buy for somebody. Please do not bid unless you have your finances together. You'll need a $250 deposit at the end of the auction, and then the balance is due within 7 days. Now you don't have to pick up the vehicle for 30 days, but the balance is due within 7 days. So buy this low mileage Chevy box truck. If it's what you need, you'll like it.